Great design doesn't come into this world by chance. It takes imagination, determination, and iteration after iteration after iteration. For millions of designers and makers worldwide, AutoCAD is where that happens. Every year, we enhance AutoCAD further, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Whether that's efficiency improvements, like up to 11 times faster file opening and 4 times faster startup. Game-changing innovations like Autodesk AI, which unlocks powerful insights and immediate ways to accelerate your creativity. Intelligent features like Smart Blocks, which let you quickly define and group objects so you can roll out edits project-wide. Or workflow optimizers like Autodesk Docs and AutoCAD on the web, which help you collaborate and sync feedback from multiple reviewers on projects. Great design doesn't come into this world by chance. Great design starts here. AutoCAD, trusted by millions.